I know that we're accustomed to being strong and finishing strong, but I want to invite you to finish this year on a softer note. That means reflection and relaxation, taking inventory of where you are and what this year has taught you and what it has brought into your life. How will you show up differently in 2025? Where is the love that you have for yourself? Will you be willing to take a deeper dive into understanding who you are and experiencing self care at a whole different level? One thing I have learned about self care is that when I see me differently, I show up differently. Taking care of me has transformed my life. I'm your self care coach, helping you to heal and to grow. And remember, it all begins with you choosing you. Take care.